Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Are you excited to generate leads? It can be time consuming, difficult, and very tedious. But there's an easier way to do it that's fast, effective, and does it in seconds using Google Maps for a one-time fee or a free trial with unlimited support. Let's dive in and check out Lead Sniper right now.
All right, what's up, guys? Back again talking about some more Google Maps lead scraping software. This time it's scrap.io, and you can see it does Google Maps with precision, quick and easy. You got restaurant, Toronto, Canada, so niche, city, and country. Very simple. You can see some great examples here of how it scrapes. You get the phone number, the email, and all their social media right here on the right. It's pretty intuitive, I'd say, and you can download as a sample. Search by city, state, or whole country with over 4,000 categories, and you can try it for free if you want. Filter results with precision, so pretty exciting stuff there. It's going to be pretty precise with lead generation for you. Pretty interesting, and you can try for free, like I said, and scraping in real time, so super fast, super efficient. As you can see, it's GDPR compliant as well, and you can watch a demo of the software in action here, and they're trusted by these leading companies, and you can click here to see an example, a file generated by the application, and they have some good customer reviews. But this sounds really good, but you might be asking, what about pricing? Well, we're going to show you the pricing right now. So as you can see, they have a monthly and yearly option. The basic plan is $49 a month, professional plan $99, agency plan $199, and company plan $499, all billed monthly. And you can see the number of leads it can generate with credits, of course. Search by city, yes. You can see all the different features it offers. Explanation of the features is down here as well. You can check all that out and use your own discretion and see if this software is right for you. I mean, I don't want to pay monthly or yearly. I'd rather get software for a one-time fee and be able to use it for life. Well, guess what? We're going to talk about that right now. We're going to jump in to Lead Sniper. Let's go. So here we are, Lead Sniper, the most powerful Google Maps scraper. I absolutely love this software. It's super targeted, easy to use, and you get the power of time-saving and comprehensive data all in one place with a free trial or a $149 one-time fee, and you get it for life with unlimited customer support. Do you want to be one of these happy 12,000 customers? I know I am, and my business partner is, and we've been using this to scrape a lot of leads for our business, and it's been amazing. Look at all of the incredible results that you get from places, phone numbers, emails, social medias, and 800,000 plus reviews. Also features simple, easy to use interface that will generate thousands of leads for you in literally seconds, which is going to save you a lot of time because you've got other things to do. You want to run your business, you got kids, you got supper to make, you got other obligations. You don't want to be sitting here all day scraping leads from Google Maps when this software can do it all for you super fast, efficient, and quick. Right? It's also going to save you time, like I said, because you want to boost productivity, efficiency, and time conservation and keep your business going. You're also going to get super comprehensive data. Look at the detail the software goes to. This is an example right here on the screen. Absolutely incredible. Diverse information extraction, comprehensive contact details, and in-depth Google Maps and analytics. I absolutely love this software. Guys, get Lead Sniper today. It's a no-brainer. One-time fee of $149. Get it for life. And you can try it out for yourself for free to see how effective it is and how much it's going to boost your efficiency and productivity as a business owner. All right, guys, we're going to check out how this works right now because you got other things to do. Maybe you got to get supper going. Maybe you got to drive the kids to soccer practice. I don't know, but you don't have time to be manually scraping leads off of Google. Let's watch how fast Lead Sniper works and how effective this is, okay? So let's go. So we're gonna search for plumbers in Paris and Canes just as an example. So you're gonna come up into your search box. It's that simple. You just type in the niche and the region, hit start, bang, bang, and you can, get that supper going. Maybe you gotta eat, doesn't matter. Maybe you just wanna hang out. I don't know what you're doing today, but watch this. Look at how fast it's scraping these leads from Google Maps. 1,644 and 1,142, bang, bang. Absolutely incredible. And you can export as a CSV or XLSX file. But if you've already got Google Chrome open, hey, guess what? It's going to go right into your download folder, and you're just going to click there, and you're going to drag and drop right there, drag and drop into My Drive under Leads, and just open up Google Sheets in seconds. Boom, boom. And you are going to get data on these businesses, including the contact information, the website domain, the phone number, the emails, and the address. But the amount of emails that you're going going to get using this is absolutely phenomenal. And I've had a super cool time using this software. I highly recommend it for your business. Me and my business partner have had amazing results. So get Lead Sniper today and generate high quality targeted leads in seconds. Thanks, guys.
Wow, man, did you check out how fast Lead Sniper worked in that demonstration? That is absolutely amazing. Thousands of quality leads in seconds, laser targeted, super detailed. Get it for $149 for the one-time fee and get it for life, or get the free trial. Try it out for yourself and see how powerful Lead Sniper can be for your business today. Thanks, guys.